Welcome back, students. I hope you all are doing well. Students, as you all know, your summer vacation is near to start. So, we will have to give you some holiday homework. This time, we will give you something interesting. Do you know what kind of interesting homework we will give you? Any guess? Okay, let me tell you. In this summer vacation, we will give you art integrated activities. Students, do you know what is art integrated learning? Yes, art integrated learning is a teaching learning model which is based on learning through the art. It is a process where art becomes the medium of teaching and learning. Means by art integrated learning, you can learn all the subjects with the help of art, and by these activities you can experience joy and eagerness. These activities enhance communication skills, language skills, and problem solving skills. They help you to explore and understand body movements and coordination. It also promotes teamwork. By this, you will be more creative. Now, I am going to tell you about English activity number 1. First of all, you have to make a poster of imperative sentence on A4 size paper. Okay, students, you can make the poster of imperative sentence. You just have to write the name of imperative sentence and color it. After that, you have to paste that poster on any cardboard. Here you can use the old notebooks cover, or you can also use old wedding cards. Means you can use any waste material or flat surface. Then you have to make a small video on imperative sentence. Video should be about 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes, approximately about 2 minutes. Now, let me tell you some instructions regarding video making. First of all, students will make their video in proper school uniform and speak only in English. It means while you are going to make video, you should wear your school uniform. Okay, nobody use your house dress while you are going to make video. You should wear your school uniform and you have to speak only in English language, because it's your English homework, so you have to speak only in English. Students, do you know how will you start the video? First of all, you have to give your self introduction in English. Means you have to give your name, class, section and school name. For example, you can say here, I am Hardik. I am studying in the Horizon School in class 5C. Here I have used the name Hardik, but you have to use your own name and your own class and section. After giving your self introduction, you have to introduce the topic. Here you can say how many kinds of sentences are there, and you also have to tell the names of that sentences. For example, in the introduction of the topic, you can say, do you know the importance of the sentences? Sentences are the largest unit in any language. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First, declarative sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. So, this is the way to introduce the topic. Here you can use your own words and you can make your own sentences to express the kinds of sentences. Now, you will keep the poster in your hand or hang it in your neck. Look at the picture, students. You can see a cat, and same like this cat, you can also hang the poster that is pasted on the cardboard. You can hang that poster in your neck. By using this, you can use your hands and you can use your proper body language to express the topic. After hanging the poster in your neck, you will describe the imperative sentence. Now, a question arises in your mind: how will we describe the imperative sentence? The most important point that you should keep in your mind is you should consider yourself as imperative sentence. Means you think you are imperative sentence. If you are imperative sentence and you are going to express yourself, you are going to tell something about yourself, then you should explain the topic, the imperative sentence in first person. Means you will use word I to describe the imperative sentence. Here you can say, I am imperative sentence. I express an order, a request, a suggestion, or a warning. I always starts with capital letter. Mostly I ends with full stop. Most of the time I begin with verb, but sometimes I begin with word please. Then you have to give some examples like go out of the room. Please give me a glass of water. Take the medicine regularly. After that you will say thank you, and I hope you all understood activity number 1. You can easily make the video in proper way because I have given you all the methods how to make your video. And here again I'm going to tell you one more important thing, and that is you should wear your school uniform during the video making. Clear? Students, in your summer vacation I have given you 2 activities and you have to choose any one of them. Now let me tell you about activity number 2. Activity number 2 is also art integrated activity, and here you have to draw and color the scene of any game that needed teamwork. You will draw this scene on A4 size sheet, and you also have to use beautiful colors to color it. Here I am showing you some pictures related to the topic. You can see on the screen we are having a ball and bats in the picture, and this picture shows us the game cricket that needed teamwork. So you can draw this picture or you can choose any other picture. Here you can see the another picture related to the topic. This picture shows us the game hockey, and hockey also needed a teamwork. And in another picture you can see a boy playing with football, and this game also needed teamwork. Next, basketball. As you all know, the basketball is also a game that needed a teamwork, and you already learn about the teamwork in the poem teamwork. In basketball game, if nobody passes the ball, then nobody can shoot the ball. So this picture and this game also shows us the need of teamwork. It means you can draw this picture also. Students, in this activity you can draw picture of any game that needed teamwork. You can draw the picture of cricket, hockey, basketball, football, any kind of game that needed teamwork. You also have to write some sentences on the particular game that you will draw on a poster. Students, I hope you all understood the activities and you are able to make video in a proper way, and you will also able to draw the poster. Thank you so much for joining the video. Enjoy your holidays.